Hello everyone, my name is Seymur Abdulla. I'm from Bilkent University EE department. Today I will show you my term project. So my project is mapping car. So on my car I have three distance sensors, one DC motor, one servo motor, four DC motors, one Arduino Nano here, one HC12 module here, and one on this part in base tree end. So I communicate by using these two modules, and Arduino will do the commands which I send from base tree, and I receive commands to base tree from keyboard of my computer. I use UART protocol to do this. So let me show you how my car works. Let's enable our UART. So it's going forward, back, right, and left. I have also stop commands and one scan command here. So when I send scan command, it starts scanning and sends data back to my serial monitor application here. This application is external application which I installed. Now I show how my car works. This video is accelerated so that it would fit in my project video. So this environment is similar to box. So as you can see, I will press E and Q commands. These are stop and then scan commands. Scan is done by three ultrasonic sensors. You can see they are rotating and moving. Later I will move car forward by pressing E, W and Q, and these are also stop, forward and then scan commands. Even though it's not seen in the camera, whenever I press Q, I also switch enable of my channel 1 to off, so that it can receive data from my car and write it to serial monitor in my computer screen. I will use data coming from this part in the next part of my video to show you how my Python code works. So let me now show you how I implement my term external application and connect it to base tree output. So first I select serial and COM4, its port to which my base tree is connected. Then I just open setup, terminal, and check this local echo, and this will write anything I press on keyboard to here. And also in file settings I choose log and then the text file which I want to this data to be written to. I will not do it now, so let me show you one example of how data comes to serial monitor. This Q command is for scanning, so as you can see data comes to serial monitor here, and as you can see sometimes there is this kind of errors, and all of these errors are processed and filtered by Python code which I have written. So let's just stop it and I will show you my Python code which actually filters it. So I have scanned a box with two times. I scanned it 2 times and moved car forward for the second scan, and I have my Python code here which filters the unnecessary data and removes the false data. That false data comes from HC12 modules, and that's because sometimes that module can have data loss issues, so that's why there is some problems. But anyway, this code filters it, so let me just run it. So as you can see, there's a map made of dots. These dots are data coming from my car and then processing here, turning that data to X and Y coordinated dots.